So the person we received the initial complaint from treated with the doctors and communicated with Reynolds from, as I said, 2020 through mid-2022. Now, in that period of time, two years is not an unusual period of time for litigation and to resolve a car wreck case. During their communications, Reynolds told the person that her case was pending, that he was negotiating a settlement with the insurance company, and then all of a sudden, Reynolds abruptly stopped communicating with her. So the woman, obviously concerned, didn't have any more contact with her lawyer. The case was supposed to be at a stage of being resolved, so she contacted the insurance company herself in about October of 2022, and she learned that the insurance company had settled her case with Reynolds back in March of 2022 for $100,000. So at that point is when she made the complaint to us. So again, throughout early 2022, after Reynolds had received and pocketed the woman's $100,000, he continually lied to her in the communications before those communications abruptly stopped, that he was ongoing trying to resolve this with the insurance company. He also forged the woman's name on settlement documents, and he never paid her medical bills with the settlement money. So the woman then reported the theft, and we began the criminal investigation. We also learned from the Florida Bar that it had received complaints about Reynolds, and the bar was conducting an investigation into systemic theft of monies by Reynolds. So what we found out during the course of this criminal investigation between October 2022 and this month, that there were 16 people who have come forward who retained Reynolds as their lawyer in personal injury cases that go back as far as 2019. Where he did what he did to the first victim. He agreed to represent them in a personal injury case. He referred them to doctors. He sent monetary demand packages to insurance companies, forged clients' names on settlement documents, and pocketed all the settlement money, leaving these people with no compensation for their injuries and holding the bag for all of their medical bills. So we identified that Reynolds stole over $850,000 in client money from 16 people. So this represents the people we've identified so far and the amount of money that Reynolds, close to $850,000 that Reynolds has stolen.